Hey, what's up, guys? The Sound of Food here. You know, today we're gonna be doing the sound of bad mic quality. Okay, so today we're just gonna have a nice chat. You know, honestly, thank you guys for all the support on all of my videos. It's very discouraging getting 4 or 5 views on a video for your 2 videos. Thank you guys for all the support you've given me on my channel. Thanks for listening to my cringy, borderline, not worth watching content for 10 minutes total. You know, that really helps. It just fills me with joy that people actually want to watch my shit content on YouTube. Well, guys, that's all the time I have for it. No psych. Yeah. Well, that's enough background noise. So, see y'all.